Dozens of teens are taken to the Douglas County Youth Center every day, many of them struggling with mental health. A community-based health center is expanding their service to help those kids. I sat down with community partners and county leaders and take a look at how these efforts will impact teens.
The criminal justice system is constantly becoming a healthcare system.
And that's something County Commissioner Chris Rogers hopes will change.
The agreement between Charles Drew and the county will fulfill the complete array of services that we have for children and families. It will allow them to get the services in the community instead of getting them in a facility.
The new contract will allow teens inside the youth center more mental health services.
Before, we were getting them there because we didn't have the capacity in the community. Charles Drew has the services there where we will be able to serve them in the community, and they will be able to maintain a normal life with their family and still get the services.
Some of the services being offered: screenings, psychiatric evaluations, as well as treatment and follow-up care for youth dealing with substance abuse issues and mental health.
The trust and relationship is so important. So the earlier that you can build those relationships, the better off you're going to be.
The program should speed up the evaluation process by adding another provider.
The goal of this, and also in juvenile justice, is to be rehabilitated. So coming in with a public health model hopefully makes it better. So hopefully families will be open to it.
Kenny McMorris, CEO of Charles Drew, says serving youth from the area is essential.
We really pride ourselves on really being rooted and based in community, so we meet people where they are.
McMorris says he hopes the expansion will allow them to better connect with families.
We know that a lot of things that are playing out in the criminal justice system are strictly rooted and start from trauma and dealing with a lot of the issues that our families are facing in this community. And so we stand ready to serve.
Larry Duncan, who's the Senior Director of Behavioral Health at Charles Drew, says they hope to reduce the stigma associated with mental health. He tells us a sense of family helps teens go a long way to continue services.
It's going to make it easier for them to connect with a helping type situation rather than avoid it, run away from it.
The expanded contract runs through the end of next October. It'll automatically renew each year unless it's terminated. And Commissioner Rogers says he hopes the county will be able to pay for future years with grant money from the Sherwood Foundation.